Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to receive money on Revolut. So the first step is to open Revolut on your phone, and then what you'll have to do is simply tap on your profile picture in the top left corner, and then what you'll have to do is simply give them your username, so this one right here, and then basically they can send you money using the username of your Revolut account. Or if you want, you can simply tap on that username and then you're gonna see this QR code, and if they scan it, they'll be able to send money to you, or simply send them this link here, as you can see, revolut.me/your username, and basically they will be able to send money directly to your account. And it's basically instantly, and if you use Revolut, basically there are no fees and there is no limit, so you can send as much money you want, and it doesn't matter if you send $1 or $10,000, there are no fees basically on Revolut. So this is how you can receive money on Revolut. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.